Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very sad day for all movie lovers, including me. The great Irfan Khan has passed away, unfortunately, and I'm still coming to terms with the loss. I'm still unable to believe that I will never be able to see him on the screen again, at least new on the new movies. In the new movies, but whatever gems he has left us with, I think we should be grateful for those. Some of the most amazing performances I've seen in recent years have been from him, from his characters on the screen. uh, I don't know where to start. I remember, like, I think it was Hazel, I think the first time that I saw him, like way back about maybe 2002 it was, and he played a negative role in the movie. And I still remember I was stunned by the intensity of his performance. How intensely, how amazingly he performed in the movie. He was the main villain of the story. And then I saw him in, like, then I really took note of him, and I made it a point to see his movies. I saw him in Makbool, then I saw him in Slumdog Millionaire. I saw him in Pansing Tomar, in Talwar, and The Warrior. That was actually before Hazel, but I saw it later. So then, obviously, like, we saw him in Hollywood movies like Life of Pi, The Amazing Spider-Man, Jurassic World, and recently we saw him in Hindi medium and Angrezi medium, which was his last movie. So in whatever the kind of movies he did, whether it was an intense role like in Talwar, or like in Hazel, or whether it's comedy like Hindi medium or Angrezi medium, or whether it's like action kind of movie like Pansing Tomar, he really brought the character to life. He gave it a unique touch of his own, like, and that made it really special. And even in movies where his roles were small, his unique screen presence, he had tremendous screen presence, and his dialogue delivery coupled with his voice, like, he left a lasting impact even in movies where his roles were short, like in Jurassic World, for example. Like, the ease with which he performed in Jurassic World, like, you remember him long after the movie is over. That is the hallmark of any great actor. And I think his it's very hard to pin down, like, the way he performed, how he crept into the skin of the character, how he lived the character so effortlessly, while at the same time without going overboard, without appearing like he was too much of a method actor. He had the right kind of combination of being a method actor and a spontaneous actor. So I think that is very, very rare, and I'm sure will be missed by any film industry. So I was just watching, a small clip of his last words, just during Angrezi medium. So let's watch that. I think, and it's a marvel to me, like, how he was able to retain his humor in spite of being in so much pain, and going through so much psychological trauma. So let's just have a recap of his last words, at least that had come out, on like on the public channels.
हेलो भाइयों बहनों, नमस्कार। मैं इरफान। मैं आज आपके साथ हूँ भी और नहीं भी। खैर, ये फिल्म अंग्रेजी मीडियम मेरे लिए बहुत खास है। सच यकीन मानिए, मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश थी कि इस फिल्म को उतने ही प्यार से प्रमोट करूं जितने प्यार से हम लोगों ने बनाया है। लेकिन मेरे शरीर के अंदर कुछ अनवांटेड मेहमान बैठे हुए हैं, उनसे वार्तालाप चल रहा है। देखते हैं किस करवट उठ बैठता है। जैसा भी होगा आपको इत्तला कर दी जाएगी। कहावत है, when life gives you lemon, you make a lemonade। बोलने में अच्छा लगता है, पर सच में जब जिंदगी आपके हाथ में नींबू थमाती है ना, तो शिकंजी बनाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। लेकिन आपके पास और चॉइस भी क्या है पॉजिटिव रहने के अलावा? इन हालात में नींबू की शिकंजी बना पाते हैं कि नहीं बना पाते हैं, ये आप पर है। और हम सब ने इस फिल्म को उसी पॉजिटिविटी के साथ बनाया है, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये फिल्म आपको सिखाएगी, हंसाएगी, रुलाएगी, फिर हंसाएगी शायद। Enjoy the trailer and be kind to each other and watch the film. And yes, wait for me.
So I watched a couple of other interviews, of him from CNN, like, some time back. I think it was during the Life of Pi, when it came out. And the one thing that struck me was how humble he was, and even in this video, like, you know, and what he said, he made some, you know, it's very true, you know, like, you know, people say, like, you know, it's very hard for us to, we can empathize, but, you know, we can never truly understand another person's pain, you know, like, so, you know, it's funny because most of us, you know, we think when we go through life's troubles, we think, oh, our life is very hard. But, you know, if we are given a choice whether we want to live our own life or, you know, live the life of some other person, we would mostly choose our own life, because at least we know our troubles. When it comes to other people, we don't know the troubles, so we might think, like, you know, they are living a better life or easier life than we are. But if given a choice between choosing their life and our life, we will still choose our own life, you know, because we don't know what troubles they have. So I think that's kind of what he's saying. He's saying, like, you know, uh, it's they say, like, you know, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. You know, it's easy to say, you know, it's a easy to say, but, you know, to when you're actually in that situation, like he is, and like a lot of people like him went through, it's very hard. It's very hard to just go with the token words, you know. And I I have to say, like, you know, full hats. I have to bow my head down to him, like, you know, the way he was able to retain a sense of humor in spite of being in so much pain. And I have to thank him. I want to thank him for all the wonderful performances he has graced the screen with. You know, that we can all watch any number of times to relive his the passion with which he performed, and with his art. You know, whatever kind of role, whether it's the, you know, TV series like Chandrakanta, whether it's like, you know, a movie like Talwar, you know, it's, or Piku, another one of my favorite movies of his. So I just pray that wherever he is, like, you know, I hope his soul rests in peace, and Om Shanti. Thank you so much, friends. That will be a short video for now. Thank you. Bye.